Before replacing the screen assembly, we need to check out the True Tone display function, and whether it still works as usual or not. Long press to turn it off. Use a pentagon screwdriver to unscrew the screws at the bottom of the phone. Pay attention to putting the screws aside well. Set the heating pad temperature to 90 degrees Celsius. Place the screen face down on the heating pad for about 2 to 3 minutes. After heating, we use a clamp fixture to separate the screen. Place the phone down on the fixture, and rotate the screw to clamp the screen. The suction cup will clamp the screen. Rotate another screw to separate the screen. Drop a little alcohol around the frame. It will release the stickiness temporarily by this way. Use a pry piece to jam the phone screen. Then twist the screw and take down the suction cup. Gradually remove the screen around the edge of the display. Slowly separate the screen from the case. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables, so don't try to remove it completely. Pay attention to the position of the cable to avoid damage. The angle should not be over 90 degrees to prevent breaking the flex cable. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of the cable connector, and take it off. Use a spudger slightly to extricate the connector between the screen and motherboard. Remove the display assembly. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of battery. Use a spudger slightly to extricate the battery. Read the old screen data with the programmer. Start reading. Reading part is done. Connect the new screen assembly to the programmer and start writing. Reading part is done. Place the old screen assembly on the heating pad. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the earpiece connector. And take down the earpiece cable. Here's the REPART screen assembly, a new replacement. Tear off the protector of the new screen assembly. Reassemble the earpiece cable on the new screen assembly. Tighten the screws. Connect the battery connector and motherboard. Install the shielding cover, and tighten the screws. Reassemble the display cable, touch cable, and earpiece cable continuously. Long press to turn it on. We're gonna do some screen-related tests first. True Tone testing. touch testing. All is working normally. Install the shielding cover and tighten the screws. Since we used the clamp fixture to separate the screen at the beginning, which could save the original waterproof adhesive, so we don't have to replace it with a new waterproof adhesive. Buckle the phone screen. And tighten the screws at the bottom. Turn it on again. The screen shows everything is normal. Thank you for your watching.